Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. As we explained in our previous video, what is Dropshipping Beginner's Guide? Continuing this, today's topic is how to make money with dropshipping. The global dropshipping market size was valued at $149.4 billion in 2020. It is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. As a result, the dropshipping retailer has no physical contact with the product. That's why this e-commerce strategy is at odds with classic retail. There, the products are ordered in large numbers, stored, and then sent to customers. Let's move on to the mechanism through which you can make money through dropshipping. For example, a customer places an order with a retail price of $200 on your online store. You forward the order to your supplier and pay $150 at the wholesale price. Then supplier sends the product directly to the customer, and you get $50 profit. A reasonable question comes to our mind. How much can you make as a dropshipper? There are many dropshippers who make up to $100,000 per year with a successful dropshipping store. You'll need to choose the right suppliers and build a brand. You need to make your website more attractive. Choose trending products, and your income boost in less time. Hope you understand the strategy of making money through dropshipping. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.